How to profit from the massive crypto crash, short-term and long-term. What about making money during the crypto crash? The majority of investors' portfolios are now in the red as a result of the crypto crash in June of 2022. A glance at CoinMarketCap's biggest gainers listing will reveal several altcoins that have seen gains of over 100% over the previous day. Although a 100% return in a few hours during a crypto crash is an intriguing prospect, these altcoins are highly speculative and demand knowledge and research. In this video, we'll look at 5 different ways to make money during the crypto crash. Note, this video is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before investing. And before we begin, welcome to Invested Knowledge. Knowledge is power, so make sure to subscribe to this channel for up-to-date essential knowledge to become more successful in life and in business. How to profit from crypto crashes. How can you profit from price drops if you're considering purchasing cryptocurrency? One choice is to make an altcoin investment. Cryptocurrencies known as altcoins are less popular than Bitcoin and have more potential for development. Buying dips like this can help you secure a fair position if there is a cryptocurrency with solid fundamentals in which you have faith. When compared to all-time highs, strong assets priced today in the crypto market appear to be excellent buys. Dollar cost averaging in these markets can be a good strategy if the market falls further due to more volatile news. Crypto is a high-risk investment that should only be undertaken with funds that you can afford to lose. However, if you believe in the underlying technology and believe it has a promising future, investing in cryptocurrency could be a wise choice. Just make sure to do your homework and understand the risks before making any decisions. Keep a long-term perspective. Investments in cryptocurrencies are very unpredictable. On the chart for 2022, you can already see several large price declines. Cryptocurrency prices eventually rose and continued to climb after each dip. Avoid concentrating on the 24-hour charts. Zoom out and consider the first quarter of the year. All market cycles have ups and downs, but with a new and relatively unproven investment like cryptocurrency, they're more extreme. You can afford to wait out the drops if you haven't invested the money you'll need right away. Buy the dip. People talk a lot about buying at lows and selling at highs, but it's nearly impossible to beat the market in this manner. That's one reason the Ascent recommends a long-term investment strategy. If you buy assets that you believe will perform well in the next 5 to 10 years, short-term price fluctuations are less of a concern. Significant drops, on the other hand, may present an opportunity to pick up more of your favorite tokens at a low price. For example, you may have had tokens on your watch list for some time and were waiting for the right time to purchase them. You might also want to buy more of certain tokens you already own if you believe they have a strong long-term potential. However, don't fall into the trap of panic buying. It's pointless to buy something you haven't researched and don't want just because it's on sale. It's also not a good idea to spend the money you need to meet other financial goals, or worse, borrow money to buy the dip. Crypto investments remain volatile, and there are many unknowns, particularly as the threat of increased regulation looms. You might try to buy the dip only to find that prices have dropped even further. Short selling crypto during a bear market. If you believe that a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin will crash shortly, you can profit by short selling or shorting the currency. To short sell, you borrow a cryptocurrency from a broker, immediately trade it for stable coins or similar, and then buy the asset back after its price falls while profiting. For example, suppose you borrowed $1,000 in Bitcoin for $30,000 just last week and sold it for $1,000 in stable coins. With the Bitcoin price at $22,000 today, you can buy the same amount of Bitcoin you borrowed around BTC 0.033 for $726 and profit $274. In practice, shorting cryptocurrency during a bear market is more complicated. One of the simplest methods is to use a cryptocurrency margin trading platform, though it frequently involves leverage, which magnifies any losses or profits exponentially. Short selling can also be done through futures markets, binary options trading, prediction markets, contract for differences or CFD, inverse exchange traded products, and other means during the crypto crash. Short selling can be a great way to make money during a crypto crash because you profit when the price of an asset falls. Experience and research are essential for success. BUSD rewards from Evergrow Coin. Evergrow Coin wants to be the best cryptocurrency for generating passive income. It has paid its investor base more than $37 million since its launch in September of last year. The fact that these rewards are paid out every day, even during a crypto crash or a bear market, is one of Evergrow Coin's distinctive features. So how does Evergrow Coin work? A 14% transaction fee is levied by Evergrow Coin, with 8% redistributed in the Binance-pegged USD stablecoin every few hours. When daily trading volume is high, the infinitely scalable transaction tax can result in you earning thousands of BUSD, depending on the size of your Evergrow Coin holding. For instance, the price of Evergrow Coin is down 28% today. However, the daily trading volume has increased by well over 50% to surpass $1 million, which means that anyone holding Evergrow Coin today can expect to see at least $80,000 trickle into their digital wallets. This is due to the 14% transaction fee that both buys and sells orders must pay to deposit or withdraw Evergrow Coin. To find out how much BUSD you could earn even in a crypto crash, check out the third-party calculators on the Evergrow Coin website. Day trading on fast-rising altcoins. Today, at least 5 altcoins are seeing 100% price increases on the CoinMarketCap gainers and losers page. Yes, even during this bleak crypto crash, there are crypto assets that will double your money in a day. Metaxa, Doge Rise Up, Maya Preferred, Raiden Network Token, and Mint to Earn are today's altcoins. However, a quick look will reveal significant differences between these altcoins. One token has a daily trading volume of 86,000, while another has a volume of well over 3 million. Furthermore, some of these cryptocurrencies have very little information about them and no way of calculating their market capitalization. The danger of day trading on rapidly rising altcoins is that it's impossible to predict which will keep increasing without research. While some of these tokens might be outright frauds, others might be a rug pull. This second scam happens when a development team abruptly sells their tokens or eliminates all liquidity without prior notice, frequently making a profit in the process. If you have the fortitude and resolve to engage in day trading on rapidly rising altcoins, you may be able to profit handsomely from the June 2022 cryptocurrency crash. However, make sure you're investing your money wisely and that you have confidence in the location. The bottom line: cryptocurrency crashes are an unavoidable part of this type of investment. If this is your first dip, hold on tight and wait for prices to recover. You may then decide that crypto investing is too stressful for you, which is understandable. However, don't make any hasty decisions. Allow yourself and the market to breathe before you begin selling. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope all the shared information will be helpful for you all. And if you have any questions or doubts, please leave it in the comments section. Don't forget to like and turn the notification bell on for more informative content.